Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor associate as well as the professor vacancies notification from the different departments guys from the autonomous college, and here the opportunities are there for the only post graduation candidates as well as the PG plus UG Senate and for the PhD candidates. So for all these three different types of categories, here the vacancies are there. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the autonomous colleges with some pay scale guys. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification, and give me one like to this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. The present content of the video. So here the college name is Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science from Warangal guys. Okay, so from this institute here we got the recruitment notification June 2021. The last date to receive the applications are 6th July 2021. So before going into the details and all, first of all I want to show you what are the different subjects, okay, and what are the qualifications, and then we will go further guys. Okay, because if you belongs to these subjects, then you may proceed this video or else you may stop this video. Okay, and if you don't belong to these subjects, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who belongs to these subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. So here from the engineering or technology assistant professor, you may check down the qualifications required or BE or BTech and ME or MTech in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent either in the BTech or else in the MTech. And while coming to the associate professor, so qualification as above for the post of assistant professor, along with that one PhD or the equivalent in appropriate discipline, and the post PhD publications and guiding PhD students is highly desirable. Minimum 5 years of experience in teaching research industry, of which 2 years post PhD experience is desirable, and the consolidated APA score requirement of 300 points from category 3 of the APA score. Okay, so while coming to the assistant professor, the experience is not required, so only with post graduation you may apply guys, either the first class in graduation or else in the post graduation. Okay, and coming to the professor, qualification as above for the post of associate, and along with that one post PhD publications and guiding PhD students is highly desirable. So minimum 10 years of teaching experience or research or industrial experience, of which at least 5 years should be at the level of associate professor, or minimum 13 years of experience in teaching or research or industry. Consolidated APA score requirement of 400 points, and in case of research experience, good academic record or and books, research paper publications, IPR, patents record shall be required as deemed fit by the expert members of the selection committee. Okay, and coming to the principal qualification as above for the post of a professor, and minimum 10 years of experience or minimum 13 years of experience in teaching, and consolidated APA score 400 points. Okay, and the remaining qualifications are mentioned, you may check down guys. And coming to the humanities and sciences, that is mathematics, physics, chemistry and English for the post of assistant professor. So master's degree in relevant subject of humanities and sciences with first class or equivalent at bachelor's or the master's level from a recognized Indian university. That means you must have the first class either in the bachelor's or else in the master's level. So both the two is not required, because so many candidates I saw from my comments that so most of the candidates are having the less percentage in graduation and high percentage in the post graduation. So even though if you are having like that also, you may apply for this one guys. But here for the humanities and sciences, UGC NET, CSIR NET or SLET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the things. And equivalence of PhD is based upon the publication of 5 international journal papers, PhD from a recognized university, and the grade point as well as equivalent percentages are mentioned here. And the pay scale will be as per the AICTE, okay, number 37-3, okay, dated on 22nd January 2010. So as per this one, the pay scale will be available, and APA score of category 3 is given. Okay, so these are the details guys, qualifications and the subjects. Fine. And next we will see the vacancies are there. in the departments, that is CE, mechanical, electrical, electronics and electrical, computers, IT and electronics and communication. Okay, so in all the departments for the assistant, associate as well as the professor category, the vacancies are mentioned. And actually it is a paper advertisement, guys. Okay, we will see this advertisement first. So applications are invited for the principal from the candidates possessing the excellent academic record and faculty positions, assistant, associate and professor vacancies. The candidates with an established record of high quality research will be offered suitable position and pay. Candidates who have completed the funded research projects and are having competent proposals for applying to funding agencies will be given priority at all the levels. Fine. The application form, eligibility criteria, pay structure and all other relevant information can be downloaded from the institute website, and the filled in application form along with the necessary documents and the application fee should reach. That means here it is a hard copy you have to send, guys, and application form. Okay, here the application form is there. So if you click on this one, you will download the application form and you have to fill up all the details. Okay, after filling up all the details, then you have to attach the necessary documents and then you have to send it to the mentioned address here. The principal, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal, on or before 6th July 2021. Okay, it is the last date. So these are the qualifications as I shown, and here the individual department, the specializations are also given here, guys. If you want, you may check down civil, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and electronics, computers and electronics and communication. Okay, so if you belongs to the post graduation in these departments, then most of the advantage will be there. And coming to the application fee details, so the last date for receipt of application form is 6th July 2021, and the non-refundable application fee 1000 rupees shall be paid in either of the following ways. So online payment you can do. Okay, account holder, account number as well as IFSC code is given. And you may take the demand draft also in favor of principal KITS Warangal. And application form not accompanied by proof of application fee payment will not be considered. That means along with the application whatever you are posting, along with that one you have to put the proof of the fee payment also, and filled in application with all relevant documents in a sealed envelope should be sent to this address. Okay, here the address is clearly given. Note it down, guys. On the envelope, please mention the following details also: application for faculty position, department of what, post applied for what. Okay, and these are all the things given here. If the candidates are working at anywhere, then you have to get the no objection certificate from your working organization, guys. Okay, so these are all things, and whoever the candidates they want to call, okay, directly they will call for the interview. There is no written test here, and at the time of going for the interview you have to bring all the original certificates and testimonials at the time of interview, guys. If you did not bring the original certificates, then you will not be allowed to face the selection committee. Fine. So these are all the details, guys, and you please check down. Okay, and coming to the pay scales and all, they mentioned here that pay scale is based upon the AICTE pay scale, guys. Okay, so based upon that one the amount will be fixed. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.